Hello everyone. Is anyone looking for a cute handmade DIY idea? Today, I'm going to show you how to make a fabric glasses case. It's not only super cute, but also protects your glasses from scratches. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to carry around, unlike regular bulky glasses cases. First, place the double-sided fusible web on top of the polyester batting and iron them together. Use the lining fabric to cover it before ironing to prevent the direct heat from touching the batting. Gently press the iron all over. This might cause the batting to shift a little bit, but don't worry about it. We can easily trim off any uneven parts later. Next, find the center line on both sides and measure 5 centimeters down from the edge. This is to position the label perfectly in place. After that, you can go ahead and sew it on. For the next step, place the outer fabric and the lining fabric right sides together, and sew them together on just one side. Iron the seams open until they are flat. This technique will help make the edges of our fabric pouch look very smooth and neat. Oh, but a quick warning here. Never iron directly over the label if it's a standard color printed type, because it can't handle the heat. To be honest, I've ruined quite a few of them myself, just because I always forget. Place the fabrics with their right sides together and line up the seams. Leave an opening of about 4 centimeters for turning it inside out. And when you sew, don't forget to backstitch every time. Next, clip all 4 corners and trim the seam allowances slightly. This will prevent the inside seams from being too bulky. When turning inside out, I use a ruler to help push out the fabric and the corners. This keeps the fabric nice and flat and prevents it from bunching up at the bottom. After that, give it another good iron until it's nice and flat, and then sew the opening closed neatly. For the next step, push the lining fabric back inside the pouch, then adjust the edges along the opening so they look neat and perfectly flat. Finally, the last step. Find the center point for the snap button by folding it in half to match the seams for the perfect center. Then measure 2 centimeters down and mark the spot with a heat-erasable pen. Next, punch a hole to insert the snap button. Then, use the snap fastener tool to press it again, and make sure to press it firmly down. And just do the exact same thing for both sides. and it's all done. It's so lightweight and super cute. I really love how the snap button keeps the glasses from slipping out. It's a perfect fun project that is both adorable and practical. You can easily try making this in no time. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment, or subscribe to support my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!